Close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, deep relaxing breaths, in through your nose and out through your mouth, in through your nose and out through your mouth, and in through your nose and out through your mouth, and just relax. And now, call in the cosmic energy from the universe. This is the golden energy, which is nourishing, healing, and a very protective energy. Let this energy come down and enter the top of your head. Let it now slowly come down and rest in your heart space. Now call in the energy from Mother Earth, and from the center of the earth you will see a silver color energy coming up and entering your feet. As it enters your feet, it will travel upwards through your legs, through your pelvis, your stomach, right into your chest. And now the cosmic energy and the earth energy will mix with the energies of your breath, and together they form a vibrant, beautiful energy, probably white in color. Now slowly take your attention to the base of your spine where there is root chakra, and let this vibrant energy travel to the root chakra. The root chakra is red in color. This energy will cleanse the root chakra, make it vibrant, and you will see that the root chakra energy is spreading into your feet, into your legs, and into your feet right up to the tip of the toes. The root chakra is spinning vibrantly. Next, focus your attention on the sacral chakra, which is just below the navel. The vibrant white light, just take it to this sacral chakra, which is orange in color. And this white light will cleanse the sacral chakra, it will clean it. And now see a vibrant orange light spreading into your pelvis, into your reproductive system, healing it, cleansing it, making it all vibrant. Slowly bring your energy, your consciousness, your awareness into your solar plexus chakra, which is yellow in color. And the white light will now cleanse the solar plexus chakra. And the solar plexus chakra is now spinning beautifully, spreading its light into your entire digestive system, into your entire tummy, healing all the organs. And now take your consciousness into your heart, into the heart chakra, which is green in color. And the vibrant white light is already resting there. Let it cleanse away all the sadness, all the pain from the heart chakra, all the dust. And now the heart chakra is spinning beautifully well and spreading its green light into the entire chest, healing the heart, the lungs, and the thymus. Slowly bring your awareness upwards into your throat chakra, which is light blue in color. Let this white light make the throat chakra vibrant. Clean it away. And now the throat chakra is spinning beautifully well, and the light is spreading into the mouth, into the throat, healing all that is present within there. The thyroid gland, the voice box, all the other structures present in the mouth and the throat. Now take your awareness into your third eye chakra, which is present between the brows on your forehead. This is deep indigo blue color chakra. Let the white light clean it up completely. And now the energy of the third eye spreads, healing the eyes, healing all the parts of the brains which is supplied by the third eye energy. Slowly bring your awareness on the top of your head to the crown chakra, which is violet in color, and let the white light spread over there. It is a funnel shaped chakra spreading upwards. The energy spreads upwards towards the sky, and as this chakra heals and cleanses, you will see violet light spreading upwards, connecting you to your higher self, connecting you to the cosmos, so that you receive the guidance and the protection at all the times. Let this beautiful white light spread throughout your body into each and every cell, healing you, nourishing you, protecting you, shielding you. And let it slowly come out of your skin and form a bubble all around you. And make an intention that this light will keep healing you and protecting you, keeping you safe and nourishing each and every cell, each and every filament in your